So how do you fix your Wi-Fi router LOS error, or loss of signal error as it also is called? Well, basically this is how I was able to fix it. So I had to come to the back here of my router, and basically what I had to do is to remove both of those cables that I had inserted in my router, and then I waited about 30 seconds. You can wait up to a minute if you want to, and then plug it back in once again. This for some reason completely fixed it for me, because I did a lot of research, and apparently the biggest reason why we're getting the LOS error is because either the cables aren't properly inserted or there's some type of blockage in the cable itself. So you can just try to remove it, plug it back in, and see if that works. And if that still isn't working for you, there is not really anything else you can do. You can try to, of course, reset your reset your Wi-Fi router here. I believe you reset it by clicking, there has to be like a reset button here. I believe it's, yep, it's this button here for me. As you can see, this little button here where it says reset. So you have to click there to try as well and see if that can also fix this for you. But yeah, quite often what will actually happen is that when you insert your cables back in once again, if everything is fine with the cable, it should start working again. If it still isn't working, you need to then contact your internet service provider, so the one that you bought the Wi-Fi from basically, or the one that you're paying for your Wi-Fi, and ask them to fix it for you, because they're the only ones that can fix it if this this cable and the reset trick didn't work for you.